All right, so we are going to do 4.02 color website assignment. First, you're going to start in the lesson part where it says use what you know, colors website assignment. When you open it up, it should look like this. So your goal is to make your website look exactly like this, but in a different color. Okay. So first what you need to do is you need to go into your Unit 4 folder and make another folder and name it images. So I am on a Mac, so mine might look a slightly different. So I already did this, but you know what you do. You left click new folder, name it images. Okay. It's important or your pictures aren't going to show up. All right, now the next thing you need to do is go to your resources folder, which you should have already downloaded. Resources folder, open that, and it should go to Unit 4. And now you can pick whichever color you want to do. So I'm going to do blue. What you're going to do is you're going to select all of these pictures and you're going to copy them. Okay, then you're going to go back to your unit folders, and that folder you just made named images, you're going to paste those photos into there. Okay. All right. And just so you know, there's little videos right here that will show you how to do each step, but I'm just trying to do it like all in one step. All right, now you need to open the code for the colors. So this is your website code and it's down here on your lesson right here. Okay, so you need to copy all of this and put it into, I use BBEdit because I'm on a Mac, but you can use Notepad. So you're going to paste it in there. So this is the website. This is the green website that I showed you in the beginning. And now you need to change it to your color. So then you're going to save it. File, save as. Oops. Index. Okay. Hold on. My husband's tarantula just came in the mail. All right. So now we have it copied in there and we've saved it as index. So we're going to now start changing them to the color we want. So you're going to find HTML code that refers to the title and we're going to change the name. So let's open this. Scroll all the way to the top and there's a little note in here that tells you to what you're going to do. So you find title, in between is where you're going to put your title. You can name it whatever you want as long as it's appropriate. I'm going to do Bluey. All right, now we're going to change the background color. So I don't know why it's here, but on the last page, I think, is the chart of colors. So you need to click that and it will open in another tab. And here's the chart of colors. Okay, I bookmarked it for future use. So yeah. All right, so now you need to go back to page 5 and we're going to change the background. So pull up our code and background color is right here. So we're going to find a blue. I'm just going to do the first one here, aqua, and we're going to copy that code and paste it right here. And make sure that you delete the space that gets pasted in there. You want it to be right next to the semicolon. And then she says to change the background color of the table, which I don't think I think you should just keep it white, because then she goes back later and says, oh, you should just keep it white. So we're just going to keep it white. All right, but then we need to change this. So it says title green. So that's the center title. We're going to name it blue. Okay, and then we're going to change the color of the font to blue. So I'm just, oh, look at that, just blue. So I'm going to copy that, bring it back, and paste it right here. Make sure there's not a space. And there we go. Now we got to scroll down. And you have to change it here too. So you're going to delete title green and make it title blue. And then you're going to have it say blue. Oops. Blue. No spaces. All right. Then the last thing we do here. Okay, we did that. So now we're going on to the next page. This is where we're going to change the text lime. So we're going to change all of these here. So they're going to say the name of the color and they're going to be that color. So we have to change all of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So in your code, you scroll down and they are all right here. Okay, these are all of those titles over here. So the first one, I'm just going to do blue, and I'm going to do the same code that I already copied that was labeled blue. Make sure there's no space. Oh wait, did I mess it up? Oh no! Did I type in the wrong spot? Where did I delete? I deleted the title. Okay, so back button is your friend. So that's the title. No, we need to change lime because lime is over here. Okay. We're going to change lime to blue. And then we're going to paste the same code in there for blue. Make sure there's not a space. Okay. Then we're going to do another blue. So we need to go pick, I'm just going to go down the line, cadet blue. Copy that. Then we're going to delete chartreuse, and we're going to put cadet blue, one word, and then we're going to copy that code here, no space. Okay, then we got to scroll down. So you're going to do that for every one of these. You're going to change all of these to a different color on the color sheet. Okay, then you have to go down to the bottom and you have to change it here too. So the first one was blue, blue. The second one was cadet blue. Cadet blue. All right. Now, once you have finished changing all of the colors, so you'll have changed all of these, the names and the color. You have the background a different color, and you have, it says blue right here. I can show you actually, we can double check. So you want to file, save, and then you open index in your website. So it's labeled bluey up here. Good, we got blue in the center. Then we have blue and cadet blue, and they look like the correct colors. So we are doing good. All right, back to the task at hand. So once we've done all of those colors, we're going to move on to the pictures. So remember those pictures that you copied and pasted into your images folder? That's where you're going to use them. So the first one here I'm going to use is block. Okay, so on my code, I'm going to find the first image and I'm going to change it from blanket to block, and then I'm going to name it blue block. Okay. Then I'm going to do the second image. So I'm going to do blue underscore ribbon. So make sure you include the underscore. So I'm going to delete bottle, and I'm going to do blue underscore ribbon. And the same over here, but I don't need the underscore. Blue ribbon. Okay, so you're going to do that for all of these ones, and these ones will be on the left hand side. Then it skips a little bit, which is confusing. And then here's some more that are going to be like on the bottom, or no, the center ones. And then over here, these ones are on the right, I think. So you got to make sure, so you do 1, 2, 3, and then you do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you have to change all of those images to the ones that are saved in your images folder. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here and you're going to delete Pamela Dooley, and you're going to say images provided by K12, I think, or images courtesy of K12, whatever, anything. I mean, as long as you say K12. And that should be good. So let's file, save, and check our work. So we only changed 2 images, so we should only see 2 showing up. Fingers crossed. Boom, shakalaka, we got it. All right, so the top few, I guess they do the top row, and then these 2, and then the bottom ones. Okay, and then it says images provided by K12. I'm going to change all my colors here. I'm going to add all my pictures, and then you're done. Okay, then you're going to take your index.html and you're going to zip it. Okay, compress it, and then this is what you're going to submit to me. You're not going to submit this one, you're going to submit the one that says .zip. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and I will move on to the next assignment.